sharp. Rose came in at 153, Mullings 152. And here we go. Mullings in the black trunk with the cadence and the melody written on the derriere of his shorts, trimmed with the gold and green. And Phil Rose also in black trunks, trimmed in white, with the white gloves. The boxers are really starting at a pedestrian pace. It is the obligatory feeling out process with Rose behind that left jab, throwing the right. The keys to victory, I think, important. For Phil Rose, he has to get close and stay close and make the fight on the inside. He has to throw hooks, left and right. Throw body shots when he gets close. And look for that straight right over the top. Mullings has a propensity to drop that left hand. Rose snapped the left jab a couple of moments ago. Nothing much doing in this first round of 10. If it goes to 10 rounds, folks, it's a long journey. It's like driving from here to Montego Bay. Boxers have to pace themselves. When you throw a punch and you miss, it takes a lot out of you. The keys to victory for Mullings. Oh, that's a right by Rose, and Mullings gets close, throws a body shot, and a second time. I was just about to say the keys for victory for Mullings, the body shots. Get close, but he must bounce back outside. Throw the jab, throw combinations, and throw the right over the top. But the critical work for Mullings tonight, and he has started to show it, the body punch. That will sap all your energy, bring your guard down for an assault on the head. Round one. And Rose started out by testing Mullings. Mullings found his range early and has taken command, concentrating on the body. Referee Steve Smoger stands adrift. Mullings has to be careful though, because he usually has difficulty going 10 rounds. Rose has never been 10 rounds. 10 seconds to go. And Mullings goes to the body. Will have to do a lot more to seriously hurt Phil Rose. End of the first round.